Some great feature and relocation of everything on the new 2021 High Country. The heated steering wheel's here. This is your Ford collision alert that will allow you to set how far you are from another vehicle. This turns the cruise control on. Use this roller dial to set and add speed or decrease speed once it's set. Over on this side, you're going to see the push to talk button for your Bluetooth and the hang up button. This is called your driver information center navigator, and this is a roller for it. Now, how that works is when you're looking at the screen, the pages will be here that you can check on stuff on the vehicle. All right, and down here you can actually use this roller to change information on the vehicle, what shows up. So like example, if you want to see the head-up display on this truck, you can adjust the speed limit style and adjust the rotation. Or if you want your speed warning, see, I'm just clicking this button here to change it. See, turns it on or off. If you want to turn it on, this can adjust the speed limit. So if you speed a lot, it'll actually let you know you're going over 55 or more. You can make it go up more actually. I'll just turn it off. All right, over to your buttons down below. Your trailer brake controller's been moved so it's not banging your knee. This is your lane departure warning on button that turns it on. This vehicle will actually nudge you if you're drifting in a lane. This turns your parking assist off and on. If it's illuminated, that means it's on. The next button that is right here is called auto stop. This vehicle shuts the engine off when you do not need the engine. It's pretty cool. Some people don't care for it. I don't mind it in my vehicle, but to turn it off, it turns it off. And also anything you turn off and on will show up on the display. Like I just turned the auto stop back on, turned it back off. It'll show you right there on the display. So it's like a double visualization there. Hazard light, of course, right here. This is your traction control off and stability control off button. This button is actually for your power outlet here and in the back of the tailgate if equipped. So if you want to get power on this at all times, you want to hit this button. It'll turn green, and you want to turn your auto stop off, and that so it won't shut off when the vehicle is on auto stop. Give constant power. This is a cool button. This rolls down all the windows at the same time, in the back there and the front. Buttons above that is your heated and ventilated air controls. There are 9 different modes, 3 on the back and bottom, 3 on the back only, and 3 on the ventilation system. They'll light up once you're using them. See, they'll light up based on how much speed you got on there or level of heat for the heated seats. And of course, dual climate control is always a staple for these trucks. This is kind of neat. This one has a wireless charging port if you have a compatible phone, and that's pretty cool. One big thing on the new ones, when you get one, it has a demo mode on there, and if when you first buy it, you need to push not a demo vehicle. If you don't, it's going to kick your phone off every time, and you'll get really upset. If you don't have OnStar, you just hit not a demo vehicle after you purchase the vehicle. If you do, you just put in your OnStar username and your password, or your My Chevrolet Rewards username and password, which is the same. But for now, I'm just going to continue to kind of show you some other stuff. Hit continue. And real cool thing about this interface, you're going to have everything showing up here. Your audio menu, your phone menu, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course, is standard. And the user simply lets you customize everything to you. So I'm going to scroll over. And this is cool. Got your cameras on this particular model, has surround vision. So you actually can look at your vehicle from above. You can change your camera views to front and rear. You can also zoom down on top of your truck and on the front of your truck. This is your composite view. Shows you all around it. And this is a curved view. I like this because you can see if you're going to damage your wheels. You can even move it to the back. It doesn't prevent you from damaging your wheels. It just gives you an extra eyeball on there. The next view is going to be your guidelines. And if I hit this arrow right here, that's going to give some more views there. Now, this one and this one and this one aren't available unless you get the extra cameras. You have your trailer view and your in-trailer view. This is cool. This is your bed view. Shows you if you've got a gooseneck or a fifth wheel. The bed also lines up. Y'all can see that pretty good. It shows you if you're crooked or not. And then this goes down to your trailer hitch view. It's pretty awesome. You go back into home screen. Anytime you get lost, you hit home. It'll go back to the home screen, like ET Phone Home. Go in audio menu, just show you how to set up a station on here. It's pretty simple. You find your favorite station, or a lot of people you can actually speak into the voice controls, which are here, and say what you want to go, and it'll go that way too. Or quicker ways, just hit tune, and you just type in your channel you want to listen to, and it saves it. So let's say you like that channel, you hit back, you pick one of these up here you want to save it to, and press and hold. They've just been moved from down here to up here on the new model. And you can do what's called cross banding saves. So like your Sirius XM, if you want to save that channel, it don't matter. You can save right beside of an FM channel, right beside of an AM channel. It don't matter. That's a pretty cool feature. You can also go to browse, and you can look for types of categories of music, and it's going to give you all of them. I'll go back into the FM station. There's really not a lot on AM. So this one's already been set up for your FM stations. And then that's a high definition radio option. It's letting you know that that channel is broadcast in high definition. Up here, I forgot to show you. This is pretty neat. Only the driver can see this. It's called head-up display. It is kind of hard to see, but I'm moving it up for you to see it. You can change what's displayed on there as well. Pretty nifty. You can also change the brightness of it and darkness. Change it there. We'll go back to that driver information center just to show you some things that it does. So if I go to where it says information, it's going to show you all the things about the vehicle. And I use this roller to go down. Okay. Tells you your tire pressures, air filter life, brake pad life, economy, and distance. And you can add stuff to that, okay? And this, if I'd been going, that shows you the speed right here as well if you're driving on there. And you can change your channels on the music tab. But all you're doing to change the tabs is you're just using these buttons here. Left and right. That's all you're doing. That's it. And your navigation even shows up there. Kind of shows you where you're at. And your speed warning. That's where you got all your things that will show up on there. This is cool, called info page options. If you click on that, that'll let you pick what you want to see. And all you're going to do is go down through here and pick the things you want to see on your display. Right now, this one wasn't turned on very much, so I'm going to turn all this gadgets on for you. You can change any of these at any time by just select them and deselect them. Pretty easy. I'm just going to put them all on there. The blank page is cool because that way you can always know you're going through all the pages without saying, did I pass that up or not? I don't know. May go back in here. Now when you do info pages, look what all shows up. Way more stuff. All right. Oh, one more thing. This is pretty cool. This is called your rear view mirror. But when you flip this switch, you actually have your camera on there. And the cool thing about this one is you can actually adjust the brightness, the zoom, and the tilt. Pretty cool. Thank you.